rules about servicing to even free little car washes when you take the car in. South City Mazda, Logan Road, Mount Gravatt. The best deals on car sales, plus the best service when you drive out of the driveway. Finally, it's nice to have someone call you and remember your name.
The Queensland Government is working on a way to give everyone buying or building a new home a boost. Queensland Building Boost grants are available now on all new homes under $600,000. If you're a first home buyer, you can get a $17,000 boost. Everyone else can get a $10,000 boost. Even investors can get a boost for every new property they buy. Grants end 31 January 2012, so get moving to qld.gov.au/boost to apply now. Authorised by the Queensland Government.
It's like fucking snow. There's about 6 inches of fucking hail here. How fucking deep it is. Oh, this is retarded. There's a river in the middle. All these pussies that are pulled over. My wheels are skidding on this ice.